everybody, what's up? Life is about here and welcome to episode 4 of my mini tutorials. First things first, go get your makeup bag. If you're just watching, go get a snack, go get a drink, and let's go ahead and get this together. Like always, I'm gonna go ahead and give you time. So ready, set, go. I think we're good. So for today, I'm gonna be doing a graphic liner look. And honestly, guys, I have been wanting to do a nice fiery like flame on my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this with you guys. So to get started, of course, I'm gonna have to prime my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in 18 and just prime my eye, you know? Just gonna go in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a mini blender. So now that that's blended out, I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes. Since there's not gonna be really any eyeshadow on my eyes, I'm just gonna set it already since it's gonna be just graphic liner for today. So now that my eye base is set, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this pencil liner in Coconut, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline the flames that I wanna do. So the reason I do this is so I can have somewhat of an outline before I do the actual liner on myself. Reason I don't want to just go in and mess up, so I'm just gonna do just a little outline.
Here I go jumping in on a voiceover. So the reason I did an outline is just to help me out. I've honestly never done a flame before and I really didn't want to freehand it. Sometimes I do freehand looks like that, but for this specific time and it being my first time doing flames, I decided to do an outline, and I honestly really recommend it if you're going to do something really technical with your graphic liner.
So now that I have somewhat of an outline done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the liner. This one's the one that leans more red orange. This is gonna be my first liner that I start with. So now that we're ready to go in with this liner, I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up and also get my spray bottle and just spray a teensy bit on the lid. Now I'm gonna dip my brush in the water and now dip it into the liner. So before I put it in my eyes, I do test it on my hand and see the consistency, and it's honestly where I like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just start on my eyes. So now that I'm done with that red orangey color, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the true orange color and just go at the bottom of that outline with this shade. So now that I'm done with those two colors, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the yellow, and I'm gonna just finish the look off. So now that my flames are done, let's go ahead and review the steps that I took to do this graphic liner. So I went in with this Morphe liner in Coconut. This is basically a regular white liner. You can use any white liner, nude or a gray tone liner as your outline. Honestly, the outline's gonna help you out. If you want to freehand it, by all means, show me your creativity. But if you want an outline to help you out on your placement and stuff like that, I honestly recommend using just a white, nude or gray tone liner. Second of all, I went in with a Matte Lashes water activated liner. If you do not have this liner, I honestly recommend the NYX liquid liners. They do come in a variety of colors, so you can use that as well. If you're gonna go ahead and be using a water activated liner, I honestly recommend purchasing these fine tip paint brushes. These are from Walmart. They come in a pack of 10. They're like maybe around $3 to $4, and honestly they're very fine tip and amazing for liner. If you can't find these, go ahead and also use the nail art like fine tip brushes. Those will honestly work perfect for you, so you can use them. to do an amazing liner. Now it's time to beat my face and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I am now done with the look. What do you guys think? I honestly am loving it. I love graphic liner looks. So the reason I did today's mini tutorial as a graphic liner tutorial is due to receiving a lot of questions about the water activated liner that I used in the previous video. Honestly guys, I'm gonna be very honest with you. If you do not have a water activated liner, don't worry about it. You can use the NYX Cosmetics liquid liners. They come in multiple colors, as well as any other liquid liner that comes in multiple colors as well you can use. But if you're interested in purchasing the Matte Lashes water activated liners, you are more than welcome to, and you can use my code LifeAsYvette for 15% off. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Also, don't forget to comment down below any suggestions you guys have for the next mini tutorials. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.